Increasing demands on the signal and transmission quality of data cables require precise insights into manufacturing quality and sources of interference. Metrics based on averages are no longer sufficient for this purpose. In cable production, consistent product quality is a sign of the manufacturer's excellence. Low process variation is a key condition for consistent quality within the required tolerances. But what happens when the process begins to drift? When production remains within tolerances, yet the quality of test samples visibly fluctuates. The standard deviation, sigma, of different measured values can already be an important indicator of the quality of a final product. However, its value is only representative if the individual measured values are unaltered. That means if they have not been averaged. This is because short-term interferences or cyclically occurring peaks are no longer present in smooth data. But how can sources of interference within a production line be identified and specifically addressed? With the SIKORA Line Performance Optimizer. The LPO is based on individual values with extremely high accuracy that are not subject to any averaging. These individual values are available in every SIKORA measuring device and are consolidated in a connected eco-control system. By summarizing all precise individual measurement values into a high-resolution noise level, the LPO monitors and clearly visualizes the stability of the production process. In the event of increased overall levels or individual peaks, the Line Performance Optimizer can assist in locating and eliminating the source of the interference. The cause of the error can usually be easily resolved. A low noise level restores a stable production process. The SIKORA Line Performance Optimizer uses precise, individual measurement values to reveal the full picture of irregularities in an extrusion process. It provides information about the source of any interference and assists in resolving the issue. SIKORA, technology to perfection.